What's up, TompaBanana here. So kind of a different video today. I'm gonna try to use one of these and stick my 3D printed cat and a 3D printed ball. So I will have it like this, sort of. Yeah, sort of like this. And just a cat playing with its balls. With its ball. But yeah, and this is plastic, and I'm thinking of trying to use, some nails and just trying to cut them off and drill a hole and just stick them into the ball, for example, underneath, just to hold it in place a little bit better. I'm not sure it's gonna work, but that's what I'm planning to do at least. But I guess first thing is just to try to clean off the gluey part off. So yeah. Okay, so that took longer than I wanted, but yeah, now it's sort of not sticky. I can't feel any stickiness now. This is vegetable oil, if you're wondering. I think that works great to neutralize the glue part. I guess I'm gonna try to find a drill. Ooh. So like this, sort of, and then I'm gonna just try to stick it on there, like that. But need to cut it off a little bit. Let's see if I can not hit my eyes. Yeah, nice. Sort of sticks there. Sticks to it, and then I'm gonna try to have the ball maybe around like that, something like that. And where do I want it? So this one I might not even cut down because this is so thick, so maybe I can use the whole spike to hold it in place. We will see. The whole nail. Maybe not. It's a little bit too high maybe, yeah. But let's cut off just the tip of it. There. Get down there. Come on. Ooh. Ooh, why was the damn thing making that noise? That was scary, but okay. Oops. The damn nail sort of didn't stick to it, but okay. There we go. Nice. Huh. So I'm thinking of just having it like this, so you can sort of move the cat around. I will see if it might get loose over time if it sort of, the nail will sort of grind off some of the material, but otherwise I will keep it like this, and that way you can sort of spin the ball around. But yeah, I will show you close up how it looks. I think it looks kind of cool. So this is how it looks up close, and just gonna turn it around like that. So yeah, I might end up gluing it down, but yeah, for now I'm just gonna keep it like this. And you can sort of spin the ball around, and it's sort of a nice looking little decoration part. So yeah, I think it actually turned out pretty good. And the cat are sort of can't wait to play around with a yarn ball or something. So yeah, that's today's video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe if you want. Bye bye.